First of all, we will take this black color to complete the slice of watermelon. So this is done, and now we will complete this. This is a fruit, and you can guess which fruit is this. So this is avocado. We will pencil color the avocado, and this is the pit which is in the middle or in the side. So this is the pit which is in the side. Now we will complete this figure, that is a honeybee. Wow, so it is done. The remaining portion that will be completed. Copying from the other side, we can just complete it like that. So this is a so now trying another eye. It is a bit side, but it's all right. So now the wing marker. So first of all, we will complete this body portion. This is the butterfly. It is a bit different, although it should be the same. You can just try it. Now we are completing the apple. And this portion. Later on we will color the black seeds, but first of all, just give it this color. Color in one direction. So you have to color in one direction. So this is yellow color. Pencil, and that will be light green. So these are watercolor pencils, but I suggest use one type of colors, like you're using water. Oh, that's looking nice. So this is watermelon. So here I would like to use this light color. If you have this color in watercolors, you can use, but I want to use this one. Now I will use this color, the pet of avocado, darker in color. So this is a pencil color, while we have also this color. If you want, you can use this one too, but I want to use the same type of colors. Now we will use a brush, slightly dipping in water, and then applying it here, so you can see the watercolors are just becoming visible, more darker. So we are applying yellow color, and this is again acrylic color. If you have other colors, you can. For kids, apple is red in color. So we have red color. A is for apple. This is again red color. We are using this acrylic color. If you have any color, you can use. So this is red color. We are not coloring this area. It is the white one when it shines, so it looks like that. It is done. It's looking so beautiful. Hope you'll understand and learn about drawing. So these are just the leaf, the apple, and now we are apply so this portion will be red. It should be symmetrical. Same on this side. Now we will use red and yellow together, so it will become orange. Here it is. The same will be applied here. Now we will color the butterfly yellow color. So to give it yellow color, I will use this is so we have a very beautiful color butterfly. I like yellow color. It is so easy to try it. So if you like, subscribe our channel for more videos. We have used all these colors in this video.